Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are reviewing this brown Modelones gel polish kit. Now you get so much stuff in this kit. Right off the bat we have a pink nail lamp. I'm obsessed with how cute this is. It comes with a user manual as well as an adapter cord. I love that the adapter cord does come separately. That way it's a nice, easy, quick cleanup and you don't have to worry about the cord breaking, which is nice. Now, what I love is that it does not have that bottom base. This is perfect for pedicures. I do my own pedicures and I love nail lamps like this. And of course, it has 3 different settings and a screen. Here is the manual in case you need more information. And then we have a big bag of nail tools. Now, first we have a brush. Then next up we have like a nail buffer. It does have a coarse side and then a regular side. It's a 100-180 grit. Then we have another 100-180 grit. This is a traditional file. And then we have these like toe separators, which is perfect for those pedicures. And then next up we have a cuticle pusher, which is very nice for pedicures and manicures. And then we have a like cuticle remover. Y'all have to be careful with this because this one was super sharp. You'll see by the band-aid that I definitely cut myself. Then of course a traditional nail clipper. And then some cuticle oil. Can never have too much cuticle oil. And that was everything. Look at all those cool nail tools. So then it comes with a matte top coat. It also comes with a traditional glossy top coat. And then a base coat. This kit literally has everything you'll need for a beginner nail tutorial. Then of course it has a real instruction manual, lets you know how to put on gel nails, remove them, gives you lots of cool tips and tricks. And these are the gel polishes that come in this kit. So we are going to be doing swatches today. I usually don't include my swatches, but I wanted you guys to see how creamy and beautiful these polishes are. I'm starting off with this light gray. Does anyone else see green in this or see like a sage color? I want to believe it's gray because of the pictures, but I swear it's green. Let me know if I'm crazy. For my swatches, I am only doing 1 coat. I traditionally would do 2 coats, but I did want you all to see how opaque these polishes are with just 1 coat. I do want to mention that this kit is on sale for Black Friday. Modelones is having a big Black Friday sale on their website. Definitely be sure to click the links down below to get this kit and many of my other favorite kits for a big discount. As you can tell, these polishes are so creamy and opaque. I love Modelones polishes, and even though the bottles may seem a little small, I promise you, you can get multiple sets with these bottles. And usually when I'm having issues with a polish like this, I'm not even having issues, I just want more of an opaque look, I would apply 2 coats of a polish like this. And these are all the colors after the swatches are done. These colors are so gorgeous and perfect for fall. So I'm going in with some full cover tips. These are extra long square. They might be XXL, but I love square nails. If you guys can't tell from my video, that is just my preferred shape. Let me know if you get tired of seeing me do square nails. I am willing to branch out. I'm a creature of habit. I love square and it fits me the best, but let me know if you want to see me really switch it up, and I promise I will. So the thing with these full cover tips is you want to make sure that the tip is covering both side walls of your nails. You don't want to have any gapping or spacing because that can definitely lead to lifting. It can lead to bacteria growing because water and moisture is getting underneath your nails. So definitely make sure you are making sure that your nails are fitting from side to side. And I always find it helpful to compare if you're kind of torn between sizes, and make sure you grab the one that fits the best. So once we have our tips out, I'm taking my Modelones 6-in-1. This is a nail glue top coat, I think. It's a couple different things. It's like 6 different things, but I really love this to put on these full cover nail tips. I do have a layer of base coat already on my nails, and I'm just going to go ahead and firmly press this onto my nails and use my Modelones lamp. If you're curious about the Modelones like Gel X dupe, I'll leave that down below so y'all can purchase it. So once our nails are all the way on, I love this length, but I did cut them down just a little bit more because I am wearing these to work, and y'all know, like I say in all my videos, I don't want to look crazy while typing, so this is why I have this length. Now we are taking that buffer, that file that came in the kit, and we're gonna file our nails and then we're gonna buff them. I'm just cleaning up the shape of my nails. I do like a nice narrow square shape. So now we're taking our buffer, and we are just going to take the 180 grit side, the softer side, and we're just going to buff the shine off of all the nails. So once our nails are buffed, I'm taking that 6-in-1 again, and I'm just using this as like a base coat. Now I usually would do a regular traditional base coat, but I wanted to see if this was going to add a little bit more strength to the nails. And honestly, I think it did. I think it made them super strong and hard, so I highly recommend this method. And I'm putting on just a thin coat, and then of course I'm going to cure my whole hand in my nail lamp for about 60 seconds. So once that's all cured, I am going in with all of the pink shades in this kit, and I am just going to go ahead and paint my nails. Fun fact is I love gel polish, but I hate painting my nails. It's so nerve-wracking. I am painting my dominant hand, so that is why the angle might be a little awkward, because I try to move very slowly to make sure I don't get it on my skin. Once we get it the way that we like it, we are going to cure it for 60 seconds, and we are going to do 2 coats. So after our first coat, you'll see that it's pretty opaque, but it could use just a little bit more coverage. So I am going to be doing 2 coats on all the fingers for all the colors. Alright, so once that's done, I am taking the matte top coat, and I am just going to top coat all of the nails. And I did want to ask you guys, how was your Thanksgiving? Did you have fun? Did you celebrate with your family and friends? And let me know, do people still go out and do Black Friday shopping? I know when I was growing up, it used to be a big thing, but I feel like as the years have gone on, it's not very common. Let me know down below if y'all are still going Black Friday shopping. And what is on your wish list? That's what I want to know. For Christmas this year, I really don't want anything else. I kind of just want to perfect my house. That's it. So once our nails are matte top coated, we are just gonna go in and we're doing like a sweater nail design, but I'm not doing sweater nails. I'm kind of doing that like raised abstract swirl design. I saw this with the glossy swirls, and I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to see how it would look sweater style with matte nails, and honestly I really like how this turned out. And what you're gonna do is you're just taking the same exact color gel polish that you used, and you're just doing abstract lines. Now this to me is the perfect like nail style for people who are not very good at drawing. Since this is my dominant hand, I do struggle with doing designs, so I find that this idea turned out really cute. I really like these, and I would think this would look really cool if you did like a gradient, like, you know, you went lightest to darkest or darkest to lightest. I think this would look so cool. Even on short nails, I think short nails would kill this. And while you're doing this design, you're just going to want to make sure you have enough gel polish on to create that 3D look. We are going to be adding on some clear acrylic, well actually some clear dip powder to go on top of this, and you'll see how it transforms. I thought this was a cool design for people who like fall nails but aren't quite festive. I feel like this kind of gives you fall vibes without being like, you know, too seasonal. So we're not going to cure our gel polish. We are just going to add on some clear dip powder. This is also Modelones dip powder as well. And I'm just taking that little sheet that the nail lamp came in, and I am just going to go ahead and pour the clear acrylic over my nails the same way I would do if I was doing a sweater nail. And then we're not going to brush it off. We're just going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So after curing our nail, we're just going to brush off the excess acrylic, dip powder, and as you'll see, it created this really pretty matte 3D abstract nail. I'm going to let you guys watch me do this nail, and then I will be back once we're doing the cuticle oil. So after the nails are done, this is what they look like. I love them. I think they're really cool. So now I'm going to take some cuticle oil, and I'm being very careful not to get it onto my nails because I want to take some pictures and don't want them to look greasy. I want it to have that full matte effect. And then of course we're just going to rub this down our fingers and give our cuticles some nourishment. And this is the final look. I love them so much. I think they're so cool, and honestly, it just gives you the chance to be creative and try something different with no pressure. So I hope y'all love this video, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.